The applications or uses of multimedia. So, applications of multimedia. So, it applies in creative industries. Industries use multimedia for a variety of purposes, ranging from fine arts to entertainment to commercial art to journalism to media and software services provided for any of the industries listed below. And the individual multimedia designer may cover the spectrum throughout their career. Requests for their skill range from technical to analytical and to creative. And the commercial, much of the electronic old and new media utilized by commercial artists is multimedia. Exciting presentations are used to grab and keep attention in advertising. Industrial business to business and inter-office communications are often developed by creative services. Firms to be for advanced multimedia presentations beyond simple slideshow to sell ideas or liven up training. Commercial multimedia developers may be hired to design for governmental services and non-profit services application as well. So we have the entertainment and fine arts. In addition, multimedia is heavily used in the entertainment industry, especially to develop special effects in movies and animations. Multimedia games are a popular pastime and are software programs available either as CD-ROM or online. Some video games also use multimedia features. Multimedia applications that allow users to actively participate instead of just sitting by as passive recipients of information are called interactive multimedia. The engineering, software engineers may use multimedia in computer simulations for anything from entertainment to training such as military or industrial training. Multimedia for software interfaces are often done as collaboration between creative professionals and software engineers. The mathematical and scientific research. In mathematical and scientific research, multimedia is mainly used for modeling and simulation. For example, a scientist can look at a molecular model of a particular substance and manipulate it to arrive at a new substance. In the medicine, doctors can get trained by looking at a virtual surgery, or they can simulate the human body is affected by diseases spread by viruses and bacteria, and then develop techniques to prevent it. The multimedia in public places, in hotels, railway stations, shopping malls, museums, and grocery stores, multimedia will become available at standalone terminals or kiosks to provide information and help. Such installation reduce demand on traditional information booths, and personnel add value, and then they can work around the clock even in the middle of the night when leave help is off duty. And in the education, multimedia is used to produce computer-based training courses like computer-aided instruction, popularly called CBTs, and reference books like encyclopedia and almanacs. CBT lets the user go through a series of presentations, text about a particular topic, and associated illustrations in various information formats. Edutainment is an informal term used to describe combining education with entertainment. especially multimedia entertainment. So the conclusion, design could benefit tremendously from open and collaborative multimedia research. Multimedia and graphics can be a very effective tool to communicate, educate, compel, and convince you and or your audience. Multimedia can help to gain and hold attention, make points clearer, stimulates, stimulate discussion, and in general, enhance the learning process if it also includes the appropriate human elements. Thank you.